Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a password to your transfers in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it's quite easy. All you have to do is go to dropbox.com and hit on login. After that, simply enter your credentials. Now let's simply look at how to add a password to the transfers. Let's say I want to add a password to this folder that I am going to transfer. I'm gonna do this right now. Well, as you can see, I'm going to transfer a copy. A new page will open up. And right here, this is the transfer page. And as you can see, you can copy it by link or simply email. It's up to you. At the bottom, you can see a gear-like icon. That is setting. Simply click on it. And do note that from here, you can add the expiration date for this link and the password as well. Do note that this is a Dropbox Professional Advanced feature. In order to do that, you have to be subscribed to Dropbox Premium. Once everything's okay, simply hit undone and hit on create transfer. And guys, that's about it. That's how we create a password for your transfer in Dropbox. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.